Ever find yourself in a pickle with a cracked or broken light switch plate? Fear not, the future is here. Enter the world of 3D printing, a game changer for household fixes. Light switch plates, they're notorious for cracking, breaking, and just plain old wearing out. But did you know they're also relatively easy to 3D print? Yes, you heard it right. The process is straightforward. First, you'll need a 3D model of your light switch plate. Plenty of these are readily available online, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can create your own. Once you have your model, it's time to print. Feed it into your 3D printer, select the right material for durability, and let the magic begin. Models are readily available on websites like Thingiverse, Printables, and Thangs. Before you know it, you'll have a brand new custom light switch plate ready to be installed. No more trips to the hardware store, no more waiting for a replacement. It's DIY made easy, thanks to 3D printing. So next time you're faced with a household item that's easily lost, broken, or suffering from wear and tear, remember, 3D printing could be your quick and easy solution. Welcome to the future of home repairs, where technology meets practicality. This is the power of 3D printing.